Hello everyone, today I'm taking this video just want to show you my idea to make the backdrop decoration with this material. And also at the end of this video, I will show you the different effect by using these two types of fabric to make the backdrop decoration. I think I can help you to pick the material you want when you decorating your event. Okay, now let's get started. First of all, let's prepare the floral foam base. About how to DIY this base, I already took a step-by-step tutorial. If you are interested, click here for the old video. I don't repeat on this tutorial. Okay, now let's fast skip this procedure. Okay, so this is the foam base we make. The following, very simple. Just take our flower head and soften. Put them together and insert on the floral foam to make the floral rest. Also, we will put some leaf on it. About how to make the flower runner, I already took a step-by-step tutorial to show you my experience. If you are interested, click here for the old tutorial. Okay, now I will show you the effect after I completed this rest with flowers. Okay, completed with the flower arrangement. And then let's turn it over. And then tie our hook on the cardboard. You can use the screw also. Use the screw will be better. Okay, completed. Typing all the hook on the cardboard. So the flower arrangement already completed. Let's set up the fabric and hang on this flower rest. Okay, set up our stand and put a white backdrop on the stand. And then make an additional tube and put our white on the tube. Talking about the backdrop, in fact, just buy several panels of the fabric and cut the length you want. And then, look, fold it and sew them together. So you have got the pocket so that you can put it on the tube. So it's very easy. You don't have to customize the backdrop. Okay. Okay, I put 4 panels, 2 colors of white on the tube. And then let's put it on the stand. Just tie with the string will be okay. I will show you the effect. Okay, look, this is the effect after we tie the fabric, the additional tube to the stand with the string. Look. Okay, and then hook our flower runner on the stand. Very simple, just hook it on the stand will be okay. Also, this part, we will hook it on the stand and adjust the place we put on the flower rack. I will show you the effect after completing. Okay, look, this is the effect after I put on the flower rest and raise up the stand. Then the following, we need to sweat the white and tie on the side of the stand. I'll show you the effect after completing. Okay, look, this is the effect after I tie the wire to the side of the stand. And then let's add the small flower on this plate. About how to make the flower ball by using our plastic slide, please check our old tutorial by click here. Actually, it's very simple. Look at this, there's a spine on it. Just put the flower head on the spine, then you will got the flower ball like this. Okay, I will show you the effect after I tie it. Okay, after tie on the small flower ball, then let's check the effect. Let's check our flowers. Look. Okay then, let's set up our table. Okay, look, this is the table skirt we put on the table. If you want to know the step-by-step tutorial about how to make the ruffle table skirt like this, you can check my old tutorial by click here. I don't repeat the procedure on this video. Okay, then let's put on the flower head, the table head flowers. Let's check the effect. Okay, look, completed. Let's check the whole effect. This is the whole effect after everything set up. Now let's zoom in for all the detail. Okay, first of all, let's check from the top to the bottom. Okay, our flowers and our table skirt. Look, our flowers and leaf, the sash, the wire, our flower ball. Okay then, let's change the wire to our other fabric, eye seal, so that we can check the difference. I think it could help to pick the suitable fabric when you decorate your event. Okay, I will show you the effect. Okay, I changed the white fabric to the eye seal fabric. Let's check the difference. Okay, look, this is the effect. Okay, look, this is the whole effect. From the top to the bottom. So, compare with the white fabric, the effect made by white fabric, we can check the difference. So you can pick the fabric you want when you decorate your event. Okay, this is today's tutorial. Thank you for your watching. Bye.